Hi, welcome to what is it, week 7? This is a really short one. I'm trying to get back on board with doing the weekly updates. And this week has been insane, not going into it here. If you're curious, shoot me a message, I'll answer you because I'm probably going to talk about it in the other video for the class. This one's for lab. Don't really have a whole lot to say for lab other than welcome to this week. You should be hopefully wrapping up your energy labs. There were 3 parts and the quiz where you're answering questions about all 3 of them. And you should be mostly done with your plants or have been working hard on your plants. There was somebody who posted in the discussion wondering about their plants because they said only 1 of the 5 had sprouted. It's okay. The cool thing about science is it's not perfect. It's never supposed to be perfect. Something will always go wrong. What you do is you document it. You do exactly what you were told to do. You write down exactly what you do and then go, hey, these were my results. If you want to do it again, so you can see if you made a mistake, go for it. For the plants, over the past over a decade, I have had some very interesting oopses with the plants with students. It happens. So just document it. Make sure that you're using actual soil like dirt, or if you purchase the Miracle-Gro soil, that it was actually the soil and not plant food. Somebody did that once. So if it's blue instead of like a blackish brownish, that's only the plant food. Make sure you have actual soil. The whole thing for this lab is the fact that not everything's going to grow. That's what you're looking at. You're trying to figure out why. So if you have any growth, yay. If you have no growth at all, there's probably an oops somewhere. So take a look. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just document. Make sure to document everything. And if it's not perfect, it's not perfect. But then you tell me why you think it's not perfect. So even if you fail to grow anything and you tried and you have taken pictures showing me that you've tried, then when you turn the stuff in, you say things like, I did blah, 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 and I thought it was going to work. But I got one tiny itty bitty sprout in this cup. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe it is I didn't use the right soil. The seeds were bad. I forgot to water them. My cat knocked them over and I didn't realize the seeds fell out. That's happened before. My child kept playing with them and wanted to help, so they drowned them. That has happened before. I put them on the windowsill to get sunlight, but I have not good windows as shown in the energy lab, and they're single pane, and it was below freezing a few days, and that might have killed my plants. These are all valid things. You have to just use your brain to try to think what it might be, and you put that in there. And then on the quiz part where it asks you very specific questions, whether your plants worked or not, you can still think it through. Like, do you think the amount of salt in water would affect whether or not a plant grew? Because you're testing various salinities in this lab. So even if you are unsuccessful at ever growing plants, or you're one of the people who ends up never even planting them, you can still do the quiz part by saying, well, I would assume complete just fresh water would work because that's what we tend to put on our plants. And then hypothesize about the rest. So it's use this part. And again, document. I can never ask for you to do more than your best. I will never ask for you to do more than your best. But will I ask you to do your best? Yeah. I mean, why would you take a class if you're not going to actually give it your best? That makes no sense to me. So I guess that's it. And let me know if you need anything. Peace out.